Say hello to my little friend.
And her goal is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
And no, I'm not poking that out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Gut Feeling. My name is Kat, if you've never been here before, and this is my channel all about spreading gastroparesis awareness. And if you don't know what gastroparesis is, I recommend you going to my description and clicking on the link to my very first video that describes everything that you need to know about gastroparesis. A little synopsis. Gastroparesis is a debilitating stomach disorder that basically translates into paralyzed stomach. So people who suffer with gastroparesis cannot digest their foods or liquids quickly enough, so it sits and it ferments, causing debilitating symptoms like nausea, vomiting, distended stomach, pain, and bloating, which is what my little friend is. I am bloated just about 24/7. The only time I'm not bloated is really early in the morning before I've eaten or drank anything. It's like the flattest my stomach ever is. The minute I put something in my mouth, I bloat. So today I wanted to talk about some things that have helped me when my stomach is bloated or distended. Let's get on into the video. So the first thing I recommend is in my spoonie bag. This is all of my spoonie shit. This has everything that I need just in case of an emergency. And for bloating, one of those items is a prescription medication. I suddenly turned into Sean Connery. If you don't know who that is, it's the guy that talks like this a lot. From those old movies. Anyways, I have hycosamine. Okay, sorry, I'm done. Okay, hycosamine or hyoscyamine. It's an antispasmodic. It's sublingual, so it dissolves under the tongue. And a lot of my doctors have said that my bloating and my pain is because of spasms in my stomach and in my intestines, so they give me this to help. I don't really always notice much of a difference, to be honest. Other medications like Bentyl or things like pantoprazole are also prescribed to patients to help with bloating and reflux and constipation. A lot of doctors think that the bloating is because of gas and constipation, so one other suggestion is Miralax. Not sponsored. So Miralax has definitely helped me on those rough days, if you know what I mean. I also have the on-the-go little mix-in Miralax packs. So these are little single-serve guys, because when you gotta go, even when you're on the go. So, here you go! These things are great. These dissolve right into some hot tea. It can be cold, it can be hot. I usually like to have it with hot tea because hot tea, like gingery tea, for example, really helps with my bloat. Or it helps the pain some, at least. My next suggestion, and one of my favorite little helpers, is my handy dandy heating pad. This thing, I don't know how it works, but it's one of those things that definitely makes me feel a lot better after I've had this on for like 30 minutes to an hour. Get it nice and hot right on the area that has pain and bloating, and I think it helps so much. Having a heating pad on one of those really bad days is just comforting and cozy, and it somehow helps the pain. I don't know the science. I'm not a doctor. I've told you guys this before. Doctors also suggest after eating that you don't lie down for at least 30 minutes to an hour to help with bloating and reflux. So that's also a suggestion, as well as going for a light walk if you can. Sometimes that can ease gastric distension and some of the pain. My last and weirdest suggestion is putting your butt up in the air. Like so. Alright. you're on the floor with your gassy little buddy. You're just doing downward dog. For any of you yoga pros out there. But you just do this and you put your butt up in the air. And this sometimes actually gets the gas out. I know, it looks ridiculous. And then if you want, you can go into a handstand and no, I'm just kidding. I can't even do a handstand. What am I talking about? You can also just cover your bloat with a bow. Bye, bloat. Just kidding. It's, of course, still there. It's always there. So those are all my tips and tricks for bloating. I know there's really not a lot, and that's because I really haven't found a lot that helps the pain and the bloating especially. There's just nothing that seems to get the bloat to go away. So if you guys have other suggestions that I didn't list, or that you know any little secrets that might help me, I would love to hear from you guys. Please put it down in the comments, message me, let me know. I'd love to get rid of this bloated gassy belly. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time that I post. And it's time for some pandering. I'm so sorry, I have to do it. So as of right now, I am only a few subscribers away from 300, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for helping me get here. And as I promised, I want to do another messy video, and I don't want to tell you guys all of the details, but there's gonna be multiple pies, some slime, maybe even my mom. And the biggest thing is there is a giveaway. This is the first time I am releasing the details. So the winner of the giveaway will get $60 in gift cards to a couple brands that I am affiliated with. I have two $20 gift cards to Cousette, which is a minimal jewelry accessories website. I have bought from them before. I do really like them. It's cheaper jewelry, but they're still really, really cute. And then the other one is $20 to Sandflare, which also has minimal jewelry pieces and really, really cute bathing suit pieces. I've done a few modeling promos for them. I love their bathing suit. So one winner gets all 3 of these gift cards. And guys, you can join in too. Don't be discouraged if you have family or friends or someone that you know that might enjoy these as well. Go ahead and enter in the giveaway as well. Down in the description below, I have shared how to enter the giveaway. If you go to my most recent vlog, Nausea Tips and Tricks, go down to the comments, put a vomit emoji like this one down in the comments, and you will be entered into the giveaway, which ends on Monday the 30th, and the winner will be announced after the messy celebration video. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can make another fun, disgusting video for you guys. You guys seem to like it, so we're gonna continue it. Alright, anyways, as always guys, thanks so much for checking in and watching and supporting me and giving me all the love. I appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next vlog. Bye everyone.